Unbox the ultimate workout experience with our in-depth Beats Powerbeats Pro 2 review for 2025. Are these the best wireless earbuds you can get for your gym bag? Initially, fitting them might feel awkward, but stick with it, because they quickly become an indispensable part of your fitness routine. We've put these Powerbeats Pro 2 through their paces, from intense lifting to sweaty runs, and can confirm their unparalleled security thanks to those innovative ear hooks. Plus, for our iOS users, the instant connection is a dream, and Android users still get lightning-fast Bluetooth pairing. Experience truly immersive audio with crisp sound and powerful noise canceling, allowing you to drown out the gym crowd, or switch to transparency mode for situational awareness. Beyond sound, these earbuds surprisingly pack a heart rate monitor for real-time fitness tracking directly from your ears. But the real game changer? An incredible 45 hours of battery life with the charging case, meaning weeks of use without needing a plug. If you're serious about your fitness and need earbuds that won't quit, the Powerbeats Pro 2 in 2025 are a top contender. Find the best deals and grab your own pair today using the links in the video description below.